3SNet inaugurates publication of materials on media buying in different countries. How to manage your traffic effectively and earn even more money and even faster. For example, how to work without bans and locks. It is easier if you know what rules you should use to advertise gambling in a particular country. Recently, news feeds have been crammed with messages from different countries. All over the world, officials are setting control for gambling. New laws, rules, restrictions and permits for starting the casino are massive. How to understand all this? To help you, 3SNet begins publishing a series of articles on gambling regulation in different countries of the world. Did you know that, in the United States, each state has the right to introduce its own laws? On the one hand, this leads to a lot of confusion. On the other hand, there is a huge variety of possibilities. And the best news is that there are more and more people who agitate for gambling legitimation and profiteering on it. In Spain, a royal decree on advertising has come into effect. It is very clear and simple. It step-by-step stipulates legal and outlaw points. Just do what you're allowed to do. In Slovenia, the current situation is unique. Only local operators must obtain a license. And the first thing they did was accommodation of foreign operators. Get documents and earn money. Who will be the first to win the market? These and other interesting and useful facts can be found on our blog, 3SNet. Follow our news. In the near future, you will find reviews on the markets of Germany, Vietnam, Romania, the Czech Republic, Bulgaria. Share this video.